How to redeem Etsy gift card. If you want to redeem Etsy's gift card, what we're going to do is we will just launch our browser and go to etsy.com and make sure to log into our Etsy account where we want to redeem the gift card. Once we've done that, tap on your Etsy profile from the top right hand side of the screen and you'll find all these various options. One of the options you'll find is called credit balance, so you want to tap on that little credit balance option over there. When you tap on credit balance, you'll find various options. One of those options will be to redeem your gift card. Under this box, you are simply asked to enter your gift card code. Once you make sure that the code is correct, tap the redeem button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, the balance will be added to your Etsy account, which can then be used automatically during checkout to purchase the products that you'd like. This way, you can easily redeem an Etsy gift card. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.